Hi dear friends, today we want to share with you some of our QLQ finished zipper for both of the open and finished zipper and the closed and finished zipper. Because we have so many different zippers, so we will have a brief introduction about it. If you want more details, welcome to contact with us to get more details. Thank you. Okay, for different type, we have different zipper. For example, we have nylon zipper, just like this. This one, it is the nylon zipper, and this one, it is the nylon closed end zipper. Why we call it closed end? We cannot separate the zipper. It is with the bottom stop and with the top stop, so we call it closed end finished zipper. And this one, it is the nylon open and finished zipper. Why we call it finish open and finished zipper? Because we can separate the zipper. This one we call it nylon open and finished zipper. Okay, and we also have metal finished zipper. For metal finished zipper, we also have metal open and finished zipper with the pink box. You can check. This is the metal finished zipper. For the color, it is very special. You can see the tea color, it is different and also very special and beautiful. We can customize any color or any shape that you want. And this one, it is the metal closed end zipper and with the YG slider, normally used for the jeans zipper. And this one, it is the plastic zipper, normal plastic zipper, closed end zipper. You can check the T color and the tape color, it is share the same color. And this one, it is special. The T color, also plastic zipper, the T color, it is different from the tape color. And you can see, check this side. We can customize any size and any shade for you. And I want to introduce this special plastic zipper for you. It looks like metal zipper, but actually it is plastic zipper. You can check the back side. It is the plastic zipper. We just filling the shiny golden color fill on the surface to make it different. We can customize the color and the shade, T-shade color for you accordingly. And check those one. All of them are plastic zipper. You can check the back side. And it is dealing with the shiny feel. It looks very beautiful and very special, right? And also this one, the plastic zipper. And what's the difference? We made the lacquering color. We lacquer the red color on the surface to make it very different. And also this one, the PU. This one, it is the TPU waterproof zipper. On the back side, it is nylon zipper. So we call it nylon waterproof zipper. We have PU, TPU, PVC for your choosing. And this one, it is the invisible zipper, invisible zipper. But it is different. This one with the lace tape, you can see. This one with lace tape, and this one with the fabric tape. The tape is different. If you want more details about our QLQ finished zipper, welcome to contact with our QLQ to get more details. Thank you.